Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating a new product. It is our DC-40C-RATE and it's per minute. So rate-minute. And what it does is counts the number of triggers or inputs. In this case it is a diffused sensor, our diffused reflective sensor DC-DIFF-Sense-10. It's a 10-foot reflective sensor, and it counts how many times that triggers in a minute. And what we're doing is, on this specific one, it's every other count. So the customer wanted to have the second and fourth and sixth and eighth and 10th, etc., be the second part of the count. So the first part is 2, and then the next one would be 4, and every other count. So it gives you some idea of how many times per minute that this will. Now we can adjust this one trigger per minute, or however many triggers you would like. But in this specific instance, it's triggers per minute, and they're using it to 2 triggers per minute and 2 pulses per trigger. I'm sorry. And what they're going to use it for is they're folding boxes, and the machine comes down and puts the first fold on it, goes back up, and then completes the fold. And on that is one box. So you can see why they're doing it every other. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that. So I'm going to give you a number of rate per minute on the every other one. So I'm just going to wave my hand in front of it, and I'm doing this at a 33 parts per minute, 37 parts, 36, and it gives you an immediate calculation of how many parts per minute on this. Now I may be, if it gets down to 30, that's 30 parts every minute on the second on this one. But I give you that idea of what it's doing. This is a DC-40, so it's a 4-inch high display, 4-digit, all aluminum extruded, 14-gauge enclosure. And the sensor comes with 25 feet of cabling, and it connects to a terminal block that's on the back part of the case. So to remove the back part of the case, it's 4 screws, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. And just bring your cabling in one of these holes. These access holes are 1/2-inch knockouts, 7/8 inch diameter holes. And then bring it into a terminal block for that input. It can be mounted on a 4-square or a handy box, or just a couple of screws on the wall. The power is 120 volt with a 6-foot cord, and then it's got a 2.1 millimeter coaxial connector on the end. So pretty much, and then as you can tell, there was a long delay between the last one, so it was only giving you one part in a minute. So just gives you an idea of how many pieces per minute you're manufacturing, you're producing. And it gives you awareness of that. Again, this is Jim with DC Digital, and this is a DC-40C-RATE-MIN. Thank you.